Alright, so here is one of those slides. We're going to go to download, and I'm downloading it as a JPEG, just the current slide. And then once that happens, I'll go to my Finder, and right click on it so that this pop-up menu comes up, and you want to go down to this edit here, and then this resize button appears. So we're going to resize this, and usually like around 2 looks like a good size for most of these. Oh, that's not a good size. Okay, let's try that again. That was the posters. This is actually not a real poster, so we'll resize this maybe 25. Okay. Maybe a little bit smaller. Alright, so then we're going to save this as a JPEG again. And I've just been saving it under the same name with the word icon, just so I know which is which. Alright, so now I'll go to your GatherTown map maker, go and put an object. And it seems to work pretty well with posters. So the low-res image and the high-res image, I've just been using the same file, and that's the bigger JPEG. Okay. Then once it's placed, I'll go ahead and go back and I'll edit it. And here I'm going to go ahead and choose the icon that we just created. Looks like that's probably still kind of too big, so I might go back and change that. I'm not sure why these are not loading correctly. They normally do, though. And then you can change it where you want it. So that still is kind of large. You can save. Okay, and that's it.